back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one does have some state restrictions. We're going to get into it in just a second, but I did want to share because AT&T is paying a $3,000 sign-on bonus right now to get the perfect people for this position. Now, they are hiring a customer service representative for their sales department. This is remote, a work from home. Now, I did list the state restrictions down in the YouTube description box below, as well as a link to this page, but they're only hiring in the following states: Colorado, Idaho, Iowa, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oregon, Utah, or Wyoming. But if you are in one of those states and don't mind customer service, again, they're offering a $3,000 sign-on bonus. Now, this bonus is going to be paid out in stages. The first $500 you will get 30 days after your hire date. The next $1,000 you'll get after you've worked there for 6 months. And the third and final $1,500 payment you'll get 1 year after your hire date. So you only get the full $3,000 if you work for AT&T for a full year. But this is a basic customer service job. They're looking for somebody to take customer service call types, including collections, retention, sales, channel coordination, billing and adjustments, and advanced technical support. So you will have to use a creative problem solving to address customer issues. You'll instill confidence and loyalty in the customers throughout listening and utilizing your knowledge of AT&T's products and services. You'll be the expert at simplifying the explanation for the customer for them to understand things like their bills, rate plans, features of their products and services. You'll also help customers with credit, inbound and outbound collections, activations, just basic customer service, e-services, all of those things. You'll also do some tech support as needed. This is a full-time 40-hour per week work from home job. On top of the sign-on bonus, the pay is anywhere between $16.31 an hour all the way up to $19.31 an hour. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. As far as your work from home requirements, they require you to have your own internet service, but they will be providing all the equipment for you that you need to get started. That includes keyboards, monitors, computers, mobile devices, all of that. And as far as what they're looking for, they're not requiring any kind of a degree. They're looking for somebody who can be calm under pressure, have a solution-oriented mindset, who can be tech-savvy and open to learning new technology, someone who has great communication skills and can remain positive. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please, as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, or if you have any suggestions on feedback for me, things I could do differently, things I could improve on, feel free to leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.